Hello everybody, how y'all doing? I hope all is well. I want to talk to you guys in regards to the PNC Bank. PNC Bank is a main bank. It's up there with US Bank, Chase Bank, Key Bank, and it's, in my opinion, one of the best banks. It was one of the accounts that I got with one of my businesses was like one of my first accounts with one of my business was a PNC bank account that I opened up years ago, and I love it. Like, I love the benefits of PNC and what it does for people and the benefits that it offers for businesses. And today I want to discuss the business credit card. So it's like a green card. I have a picture on the screen of it. So it's the PNC Visa Business Credit Card. And it has no annual fee. You can keep your personal and business purchases separate. So that's like a key feature of it. So you can use it on the personal side and also on the business side of things. And it's just a great overall bank with the option of multiple opportunities and benefits. So the PNC business credit card, you can consolidate multiple billing dates from your creditors by transferring the balances to the PNC business credit card and scheduling one payment a month because it has no annual fee. So you're saving a lot of more money. And also, you can fund short-term working capital, things that you have to do for your business, as far as like if you have to pay a vendor or buy some more products or whatever it may be that you need to do, as far as like taking care of utilities or buying supplies or paying an employee or employees or contractors, you're allowed to do with this card. I would say like the credit score for this card, I would suggest having at least a 720 plus. That's always a great score to have when you are applying for any card. Literally, it's one of the best that you could have, in my opinion. And you can have overdraft protection for this card, and it can be linked to your business checking account. So it'll pull money from the business checking account. And you can also get a card for your employees and track and monitor their spending and set like a budget for them. So it's like a great benefit. It's just like, a lot to do with this card. And the introductory offer is you have 0% APR for the first 13 billing cycles, which means like the first 13 months. And you can have balance transfers as well. Yes, I said it. So 0% also on the balance transfers when you transfer it over within the first 90 days, of opening the account. And after, you'll have between like an 11.49% to 21.49%, which is, based on your credit, is the interest rate that you'll have. And I believe that this is a great opportunity, and you can do a cash advance. It's around like 23.49%, or you can they do like a transaction fee for the balance transfer and also for the cash advance. So for the balance transfer, it's either 5% or 3% of the amount of each balance transfer, whichever is greater. And then for the cash advance, they do either $10 or 4% of the amount of each cash advance, whichever is greater. And $75 is the maximum fee that they'll charge you. And then also you have a penalty fee if you have a late payment and you go over your credit limit, which is $39 for, the going over the credit limit. And then it can be up to $39 for the late payment, which isn't bad because some banks charge hundreds of dollars for, late payments and going over your credit limit, literally. So, like, that's not bad. That's, like, why this is one of my favorite banks. It's the bank that I chose, right out the gate of opening my business account years ago. So it's a fan favorite. It's for me. So I definitely would recommend PNC Bank, and I think that a lot of people should open up just a basic checking account with them because they have a lot of different opportunities. And if you want to apply for this card, it takes roughly 15 minutes or less. Of course, it takes them no time with AI, with artificial intelligence, because it's linking to their system online. So it takes no time to really do, but you have to do the company tax ID and the company annual revenue and your social security number, your monthly housing payment, and gross annual income. But what I suggest you doing is not personally guaranteeing it. You can add it. You can talk to them about using your business credit if your business credit is good and you have a few accounts on your credit report, as far as like your business credit report. And then I feel like that will be a better option versus personally guaranteeing. But you can also personal guarantee it as well. That's not a problem. So definitely go inside the branch and talk to a banker about opening up the card and telling me the options and what you want to do. So that's a great way to get things going. And definitely do your research. I want to also talk about their checking account for basic needs. It's ideal for startups and small businesses. So you get no charge for up to 150 transactions per month. So if it's a deposit or a ACH credit or a debit, and you swipe the card or use the card for 150 transactions per month, and you get no fee, which isn't bad. Also, a $5,000 cash deposit per month over the counter or the night depository or quick deposit it at no charge. So if you deposit $5,000 cash per month over the counter or at the night depository or via a quick deposit, you get that for no charge. As far as you don't have to pay a fee. And they also have where you can set up overdraft protection, and it's no fee. They have free online banking and bill pay, and you can get a free PNC Bank Visa business debit card. Also, let's talk about the $100 you need to open the bank account. And it's a $10 monthly fee a maintenance fee for the first, 3 statements if you don't maintain a $500 balance, or if you link it to a PNC business credit card to make a minimum of $500 in purchases. So definitely get a credit card, or make sure your balance is $500 at least every day. And you can also link a merchant service account and generate a minimum of $500 in qualifying monthly deposits. So that's what I wanted to discuss about the PNC Bank and some of the benefits that it offers. So make sure you subscribe. Keep checking out for videos and information to build and grow your business. You're tuned in to King Nico TV. Take care. I will talk to you soon.